Six of trying to make $100,000. So guys, please go to Prime, go contact them, tell them about iTech, tell them that I'm currently developing a Prime Flip game, which is actually really cool. So what I've done right now is basically added a power meter, and you can basically see, depending on how much you actually apply, how much force that you apply, it will jump that high. So not so much. Let's try again. Add a little bit more, and let's give it a full maximum power. Then you get a full jump, right? That is so cool, guys. I will also definitely adjust the platform, the level, the money, and everything about it. So this is going to be so cool. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to wait, what else? What do I need? Of course, guys, you thought that I will just end this video right now, but I will not do that. So please go ahead, contact Prime, tell them that I'm currently developing this game, and they should definitely sponsor me. Logan Paul and KSI, sponsor me. That is a hot take for today. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below. See you on the next one.